Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to say you all how you can create quizzes and search for quizzes and play with your friends. So let's start, but before that don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications, and also like, share and also comment down below any questions and corrections. So let's start. So before that, make sure that you are logged into your email ID because this requires email. And then we type quizzes. This first one and this link is given in the description box. You can find that out. If you click on that link, it another screen occurs where you have to sign in to your account. But as I am already signed in, it doesn't. I don't need to sign in now. Now, after that, what you have to do is if you want a quiz from like all the people who already did the quizzes, then let's take the chapter 8 in class 7 textbook. So let's type air, and now let's type class 7. Now, after we type like that, there are three tabs that you can see over here. So you can see three tabs, that is top, quizzes, and we also have lessons. So you can click any of them. If you want top quizzes and lessons, then you can click on top. If you want only quizzes that are very high range and good questions, then you can click on quizzes. And lessons means with some slides, they come up with some questions and less some slides. So if you it's your wish, you can do anyway. Now I want a chapter 8 class 7 quiz, and if you click on any quiz, then this kind of a screen appears where you can go down and check all the questions if they are proper, and you can start a live quiz. For starting a live quiz, then you can click on a start a live quiz and click on classic. Here you can pick your own mode. Classic is the most thing that everyone uses because that is a simple user friendly area, and test means the person who is playing will get to know his or her marks at the last, and the team means they are graded into teams that are not made by us but made by the computer. So I use classic always, and you can click on continue. After clicking on continue, you get this kind of a dashboard where you can click on this place to copy both the link and the code. So let me show you how you can join. Let's take for example this quiz.com join. So that is the thing that is here also. Join my quiz.com. If they click, then they can join directly. But normally, if they want to join with a code, then you can click on quizizz.com/join slash. And here they can enter your code and they can join in. They can write their name. So I am writing my name. They can also select something like memes, music, sound effects, and read aloud for a little amount of fun also. After you join, after the person has joined, then you can see this kind of a surface area where it's user friendly. Here this is the teachers area, and if you click start, the questions keep appearing on the students screen. Now let's see how to assign any kind of quiz for homework. Now let's go to the website back, and here I am going to write air. Here I have air and air pressure, and here if you see, you can assign it as homework. If you click on assign as homework, you can assign it to participants can complete this assignment until you can custom deadline, or you can also keep no deadline if you are into the uh, paid thing. So I'm going to keep my custom deadline to January 7. That means tomorrow 5 p.m. That means 5 at the evening. Like that you can keep and you can assign it goes. Now let me show you how you can create your own questions. Now for creating you can see a bar like this. You can create new quiz. Here I'm going to enter the name sample, but if your quiz, you can enter your chapter name or the topic. Now I'm going to click choose relevant subject. I'm going to choose it for fun, and I'm going to click on save. Next, so here millions of like you can see teleport from the quiz library. Search for millions of questions. You can search for questions like fun questions. I'm going to write like we are going to see. Let's take what is how fast does sneeze travel. It is like a fun question. So here you can click on add quiz to add questions. No means you can make your own quizzes. Like you have these six quizzes. I mean 6 ways, 6 questions. So we have multiple choice, poll, fill in the blanks, open ended, and draw. You have to draw and slide. So these are the different 6 questions that you can do where your students answer. And if you click on them, then you can add options, you can add question, and you can add what is the drawing one. So next you can save and it will be saved. So it will be saved in my library. So I've created some of them like these for my school and use some of them also. So I always use this one, and coming to you is a part 2 video on to how to create quiz in Kahoot. So stay tuned for that also. And also soon I'm going to do a live stream. So be ready, and when the live stream is going to do, every update will be sent to you in YouTube. I will add a premiere and everything. So get ready guys. So any kinds of questions and corrections or anything you have, you can comment down below, and also like, share and subscribe to my channel. And have a nice day guys. Bye bye.